Hello, Tom. I'm really happy you are here today.
Hello, Emma. I'm happy too, but also a little nervous.
That is completely okay. You are in a safe place here. Today, we will learn some very important English sentences for everyday conversation.
Everyday sentences? Like sentences I can use with people?
Yes, exactly. Sentences you can use in real life, with friends, strangers, coworkers, anyone.
That sounds useful. Sometimes I want to speak, but I don't know what to say.
I understand that feeling. Many learners feel this way. But today, step by step, you will learn simple and powerful sentences.
Okay, I'm ready.
Good. Let's start with a very important sentence. How are you?
How are you? Yes, I hear this sentence a lot.
Yes, people use it every day. It shows care and politeness.
And how should I answer?
You can say, I am fine, or I am good. You can also say, I am doing well.
I am doing well. That sounds nice.
Yes, very nice, Tom.
It feels good when I say it correctly.
And you are saying it correctly. Let's try a small, real conversation.
Okay.
Tom, how are you?
I am doing well. Thank you.
Excellent. You can also add, how about you?
How about you? Yes, that makes the conversation continue.
Exactly. Conversation is like a bridge. One sentence connects to another.
I like that idea.
Let's learn another important sentence. Nice to meet you.
When do I use that?
You use it when you meet someone for the first time.
First time. Like meeting a new friend?
Yes, or meeting a teacher or a coworker.
Nice to meet you.
Very good.
It feels simple, but powerful.
Simple sentences are the strongest. They help you connect with people.
Quietly, sometimes I feel afraid to speak English.
That feeling is normal. Fear is part of learning. But every time you speak, your confidence grows.
Thinking, confidence grows. I want that.
And you are building it now. Let's learn another important sentence. Can you help me?
Oh, that is very useful.
Yes, you can use it anywhere. In a shop, on the street, at work.
Can you help me?
Perfect.
Sometimes I worry, what if they don't understand me?
That is okay. Most people will try to understand you, and your English is improving every day.
That makes me feel calm.
Good. Let's continue. Another important sentence is, I understand.
Thinking, I understand. And if I don't understand?
Then you can say, I don't understand.
That is honest.
Yes, honesty helps communication.
Thinking, I don't understand.
Very clear, very natural.
Quietly, I feel more confident when I practice like this.
Proud. You should feel proud. You are doing real learning.
Thank you, Emma.
You're welcome. Let's learn another sentence. Could you repeat that?
Thinking, repeat that. Yes. Sometimes people speak fast.
Yes, native speakers speak fast sometimes, and this sentence helps you.
Thinking, could you repeat that?
Beautiful pronunciation.
Really?
Yes, really.
Pause. Quietly. I never thought I could speak like this.
And this is only the beginning.
Only the beginning?
Yes, there are many more important sentences. For example, what do you mean?
What do you mean? That helps when I'm confused.
Exactly.
What do you mean?
Excellent.
I feel different today.
Different in a good way?
Yes. I feel more brave.
That makes me very happy to hear.
Your voice makes me feel safe.
I'm glad. A safe mind learns faster.
I want to learn more sentences.
And we will. Let's learn another one. Give me a moment.
When do I use that?
When you need time to think.
I need that a lot.
That's okay.
Give me a moment.
Perfect.
Emma, sometimes my mind goes blank when I speak English.
That happens to everyone, even advanced speakers.
Really?
Yes, our brains need time.
That makes me feel normal.
You are normal. You are learning.
Okay.
Let's continue. Another powerful sentence is, I agree with you.
I agree with you.
This helps you show connection.
I agree with you.
Very good.
And if I don't agree?
Then you can say, I don't agree.
Simple, but honest.
Yes, honesty builds a real conversation.
Emma, I feel like I am finally speaking English, not just learning it.
Yes, Tom, you are speaking it. You are living it. And the next sentence will help you even more in real life. It is, let me think about it.
Let me think about it. That sentence feels very natural.
Yes, people use it every day.
Let me think about it. Emma, I want to try using these sentences in a real situation. Maybe when I meet someone new, I can say, nice to meet you, and then, how are you? And if I feel nervous, I can just give myself a moment and...
Yes, exactly, Tom. You can give yourself a moment. You don't need to rush.
That makes me feel calm. Before, I thought I must speak fast.
No, speaking slowly is good. Slow speaking helps clarity.
Slow and clear.
Yes, clarity is more important than speed.
I understand.
Good. That is another powerful sentence. I understand.
I like that sentence. It makes me feel confident.
Confidence grows when you understand and when you express yourself.
Emma, what if I want to ask someone a question politely?
Very good question. You can say, may I ask you something?
May I ask you something?
Perfect. That sounds very polite and respectful.
And what if I want to know more information?
Then you can say, can you tell me more?
Can you tell me more? That sounds natural.
Yes, native speakers use it all the time.
I want to sound natural like that.
And you are moving in that direction, step by step.
Step by step.
Let's continue. Another important sentence is, that sounds good.
That sounds good. When do I use it?
When you like an idea.
That sounds good.
Excellent.
Emma, I noticed something.
What do you notice?
These sentences are simple, but they help me speak more.
Yes, simple sentences create strong communication.
Before, I waited for perfect sentences.
Perfection is not necessary. Communication is the goal.
That removes pressure from my mind.
Good. Less pressure means more freedom to speak.
Emma, what if I want to show appreciation?
Then you can say, I appreciate it.
I appreciate it.
Very nice.
It sounds professional too.
Yes, it works in casual and professional situations.
Emma, sometimes people help me, and I don't know how to respond properly.
You can say, that helps a lot.
That helps a lot.
Perfect.
I like how these sentences make connection.
Language is connection.
Connection. Emma, what if I need time to decide?
You can say, I will think about it.
I will think about it.
Very clear.
Emma, I feel less afraid now.
That is beautiful progress.
Before, I stayed silent.
Silence often comes from fear.
Yes,
But now your voice is opening.
yes, I feel it.
Let's continue. Another useful sentence is, it makes sense.
It makes sense.
You use it when you understand something clearly.
It makes sense.
Excellent, Tom.
Emma, I feel like my brain is waking up.
That's a wonderful feeling.
Emma, what if I don't hear someone clearly?
Calm. Then you can say, I didn't catch that.
I didn't catch that. That sounds very real.
Yes, it is very natural.
I didn't catch that.
Perfect pronunciation.
Thank you for being patient with me.
You deserve patience.
Emma, can I learn another sentence?
Of course. Here is a very useful one. What do you think?
What do you think?
This invites the other person to share their opinion.
What do you think?
Very good.
Emma, I realize something important.
Tell me.
Speaking English is not only about grammar, it is about courage.
Yes, courage is a big part of speaking.
I am starting to feel that courage now.
And every sentence you speak makes it stronger.
Emma, what if I want to continue a conversation, but I don't know what to say next?
That is a very real situation. You can say, "Tell me more about that."
Tell me more about that.
Beautiful.
It keeps the conversation alive.
Exactly.
Emma, I don't feel alone when I practice like this.
You are not alone. You are growing.
I want to try combining sentences. Maybe if someone tells me something interesting, I can say, that sounds good, and then tell me more about that. And if I don't understand, I can say, I didn't catch that. Could you repeat that? And then I can respond by saying, it makes sense, or I agree with you. And slowly, the conversation can continue, and I can stay calm and present. And, Emma, I feel like for the first time, I am not afraid of English. I'm just learning to live inside it. And when I imagine myself speaking like this in real life, I can see myself standing there, breathing slowly and saying, may I ask you something? And then pausing calmly and listening and,
Yes, Tom. And that moment when you stand there calmly and you allow yourself to breathe, that is where real communication begins.
real communication. Not perfect words, just honest words.
Exactly. Honest words are enough.
Emma, sometimes I worry about making mistakes.
Mistakes are part of growth. Every speaker makes mistakes.
Even native speakers?
Yes, even native speakers.
That makes me feel less pressure.
Good. Pressure blocks your voice. Calmness opens it.
Emma, what if I want to start a conversation with someone?
You can begin with, "Excuse me."
Excuse me.
Very good. It is polite and respectful.
Excuse me. And then I can say, may I ask you something?
Yes, that is a perfect combination.
Excuse me, may I ask you something? It sounds real.
Because it is real.
Emma, before, English felt like a school subject.
And now?
Now it feels like a tool, like a bridge to people.
That is a powerful realization.
Emma, what if someone asks me something and I need time to respond?
You can say, "That's a good question."
That's a good question.
Excellent.
That gives me time to think.
Yes, it gives your mind space.
Emma, sometimes my mind becomes empty.
That happens. In that moment, you can say, "Let me think."
Let me think.
Very natural.
Let me think. Emma, I like how these sentences protect me.
Protect you?
Yes, they give me safety when I feel nervous.
Language can be a safe place.
I never thought of it like that.
And you are building that safe place now.
Emma, what if I want to show interest in someone?
You can say, "That's interesting."
That's interesting.
Perfect.
It feels friendly.
Yes, it invites connection.
Emma, I notice my voice feels more relaxed now.
Your confidence is growing.
Yes, slowly.
Slowly is the best way.
Emma, what if I want someone to wait?
You can say, "Just a moment, please."
Just a moment, please.
Very polite.
Emma, I can imagine using that on the phone.
Yes, it is very useful on the phone.
Emma, sometimes people ask me questions, and I don't know the answer.
You can say, I'm not sure.
I'm not sure.
Excellent.
I'm not sure. That feels honest.
Honesty builds trust.
Emma, I feel like my fear is slowly disappearing.
Fear fades when practice grows.
Yes.
Let's continue. Another important sentence is, no problem.
No problem.
This shows kindness.
It sounds friendly.
Yes, it makes people feel comfortable.
Pause. Thoughtful. Emma, what if someone thanks me?
You can say, you're welcome.
You're welcome.
Very nice.
Emma, I feel like I am becoming a different person.
You are becoming your confident self.
My confident self. I like that.
And every sentence you speak strengthens that person.
Emma, sometimes I want to continue talking, but I don't know how.
You can say, by the way.
By the way.
Yes, that helps you introduce a new idea.
By the way. Emma, I can feel something changing inside me. When I speak these sentences, I don't feel frozen anymore. I feel movement. I feel possibility. And when I imagine myself tomorrow meeting someone, maybe a stranger, maybe a new coworker, I can see myself breathing calmly and saying, "Excuse me, nice to meet you."